Okay, what I have here is a Greenworks Electric Chainsaw. It's a corded chainsaw. We're gonna definitely do some cutting for you. It's in very good working condition. I just took it apart and repaired it. Had a stripped out gear in it from another model that was exactly the same. Everything's working. The chain is oiling. All of the oiling mechanism, everything is working good. Like I said, I took two of these and made one really good working one. No major, nothing broken. Maybe a little ding right there. That's about it. This was the one that was working, so it's probably got a little bit of use on it. I'll get the generator fired up and we'll definitely do some cutting. So there you are, a good look at it. A good look at it, and we'll get some cutting done as soon as I get my generator fired up. This is the parts saw that will be going with it. You get all of the good parts from the other saw. You could probably even get that one going someday for those of you that may want to do that. It is possible. But there it is. Basically two for the price of one. All of the parts are here in this box, everything. It's just not worth it to put it back together because you'll have to take this one apart to either get parts or repair this one. So there you go. Your spare saw right here. I'll go get the generator fired up and we will do some cutting. Okay, and it's working good. Your safety button is working. Clutch is working good. You can hear that motor free spin. And there I didn't let off all the way and you can see the motor spinning with the chain. And the oiler is working good. There you have it. Let's do a big piece of birch. How about that? Okay, there you have it. It's working good. There we are. Okay, thanks for watching. Got a good sound electric chainsaw for anybody out there that is interested. Thank you for watching. and y'all take care.